Hey, what's up guys? Wes here with Rocky Mountain, and we are out on our TW200 overnight adventure ride, enjoying the beautiful scenery down here in Lockhart Basin. Wanted to take a minute to talk about the Seat Concepts foam and seat cover kit. This thing, in my opinion, is probably one of the first upgrades I'd do to the TW200. You guys know how much we love adventure riding, and the Seat Concepts seat kit is something that we add to every one of our bikes. They didn't cut any corners with it for the TW200s. One of the main things is they keep it narrow up front, so when you're riding difficult terrain, you're working hard on the bike, you can stand up and be comfortable and not have that seat getting into your legs. But as you move back on the seat, it widens out and goes up to like 10 inches wide and really just gives you a bigger platform to sit on when you're laying down the miles, keeps it more comfortable. The other cool thing about this seat is it's really easy install. You just pull off your old cover and foam, lay the new foam on there and staple it on. Now the fit and finish is super nice with this. It makes it really easy to install. You're not working too hard to get that cover pulled over and stapled down. So I love that about Seat Concepts. You can tell they really do their homework when they develop this. The other main thing I love about this kit is the extra height that you're getting, 1.5 inches taller than the stock seats. That really makes a difference for, I feel like, anybody that's pretty normal or average height. It really opens up the cockpit. You don't feel so crammed on these little bikes. Just makes it more comfortable in those longer day rides. Overall, really pleased with this kit. Like I mentioned, it's probably one of the first products I would be looking at with the TW200. Check it out on our website. You can read the other rider reviews, and we'll catch you guys next time.